Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea Santacole. This is the status report for the ongoing CoolWidgets training project. The reporting period for this report is 4 months since the start of the project. Overall project status is green, meaning that we're on track to finish the project within the established 12 months. That is if all the affecting elements are kept under control. The elements that affect the overall status of the project are the following. Making sure we are completing the tasks and subtasks within the established timelines, ensuring that deliverables are being completed while aiming for the highest quality on the product, and watching for signs of scope creep, and if found, we need to bring those to the project manager. Lastly, staying within the given budget that we have. Our completed milestones are prior knowledge assessment, which gauges how much the employee knows about the Microsoft Office suite. The second completed milestone is establishing the training development goals, which include what level training we are going to be focusing on based on the prior knowledge assessment to deliver the quality of training required to complete the project. The upcoming milestones for the next reporting period are development of course, which include the lower tier for those employees with little to no experience with Microsoft Suite, and the upper tier for those who have basic knowledge of the Microsoft Suite but require higher skills to perform in their given duties or positions. Also, completing the travel schedule, which consists of agreeing on training dates, booking the training venues, and the transportation that's going to be used to get to the training locations. In this chart, you can see all the tasks and the subtasks and milestones that have been completed thus far. I was having some troubles finding my Gantt chart saved in my files, so this is from a previous week, but the training goals is complete, and now we are on to both the lower and the upper tier courses and the travel schedule. I apologize for not being able to find the right chart. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please give me any feedback that may be helpful for my final project. Thank you.